Pagkapanganak ni Mami ng 6 o'clock in the evening, kinabukasan na nila nakuha si baby ng 1:00 ng hapon. So, kung pipili kayo ng hospital, mga pregnant mommies, make sure breastfeeding advocate talaga na totoo.
Every breastfeeding journey is unique. Every mom's strength isn't matched, and every job tells a story of love. I'm Marden Ann, your breastfeeding educator and counselor. Welcome, Mama. Your journey is safe here.
Good morning. So we're about to visit one mommy in Pampanga. Ayan, it's just 5 in the morning. Let's go. Hi, mommies! Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Angeles City, Pampanga. And we're waiting lang for i-accommodate tayo ng mommy na tutulungan natin for today. Ayan, nandito tayo. Ang case ni mommy ay from what she messaged us, hindi ata naglalat si baby. So, yeah. Hopefully, by the end of the session, mag-latch si baby. Or at least, mabigyan natin ng clear guide si mommy. So, I'll update you later. Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Ayan, kasama ang buong pamilya. I'm done with the session. Nag-latch yung baby ni mommy pero hindi tuloy-tuloy kasi hindi siya sanay sa breast. Nasanay siya sa bottle, so they have to work that out. And ayun, it was a nice session with them, and manghingi tayo ng update every time. So kailangan nilang baguhin yung bottle na ginagamit nila. Kailangan baguhin kung paano sila nagbabottle, and also kailangan practicein nila yung breastfeeding position ni baby every time. So I asked them bakit hindi naglalat si baby, anong nangyari. So yun daw, sa hospital pa lang hiningan sila ng formula at saka bottle, tapos niniko si baby kahit na okay naman yung Apgar score niya, 8 naman daw yung Apgar score. So medyo upset sila with the hospital kasi nga ganun yung nangyari, na hindi ibinigay si baby. Like pagkapanganak ni Mami ng 6 o'clock in the evening, kinabukasan na nila nakuha si baby ng 1:00 ng hapon. So, sobrang tagal nun. Dapat within 3 hours sana nasa kanila na si baby. Kahit CS, at least na itry sana na ilagay sa chest niya, na itry ipalatch, pero wala daw nangyaring gano'n. So, kung pipili kayo ng hospital, mga pregnant mommies, make sure breastfeeding advocate talaga na totoo. Hindi yung sinabi lang. Bye-bye! Subscribe to my channel for more breastfeeding tips and truths. Bye-bye na! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Let's go with ano yan? Aling Lusing ba?
Alice in Wonderland.
Ayan, so uwi na kami. Bye-bye!
Mama, I want to go sa SM.
Walang SM dito.
Meron.
Wala.
Meron.
Walang SM dito.
Pareho sa pati yung dati.
Oo.
No, we will buy sisig lang. That's the specialty here.
Hindi naman masarap yun.